Good evening and welcome. My name is Jarusinski, and it is my honor to continue to serve you as principal at Peachtree Ridge High School. As we transition to the spring semester, I recognize that our fall semester was certainly different from previous years. I also recognize that your students' instructional setting might have changed for the spring. Please know that our commitment to you and your student and this community has never been greater. Through hard work, collaboration, professional development, and dedication, our staff is committed to the success of your student. Throughout the fall, our students also showed that no matter how big of a hurdle they were up against, they continued to meet our standard of excellence. I look forward to our continued partnership as we ensure that all of our students learn our rigorous curriculum at the highest level possible through engaging teaching and learning. Our vision at Peachtree Ridge is to be the standard of excellence as a learning community, committed to effective instruction that prepares students for success in a dynamic global environment. Our motto, the standard of excellence, is not just rooted in our vision, but our students and staff work hard each and every day to become that standard for our community. As we continue to be impacted by the COVID pandemic, we felt it was best to use the same virtual format that was offered in the fall for our open house. We also recognize that with your busy schedule, the flexibility of reviewing this information and these videos from your home provides additional value. This is why our entire virtual open house is self-paced. Now I'm going to provide you with an overview of the information that is available to you on our open house landing page. Students continue to have many resources to support their digital learning. All students, regardless of digital or in-person, will continue to follow the normal bell schedule and access their e-class course page for each of their courses every day to engage in their learning. Teachers will be providing live and recorded instruction while leveraging technology for students to engage and collaborate with their peers in digital groups. Your student's lesson will follow a structured template broken up into 3 parts: launch, explore, and summarize. They will clearly be provided a learning target identifying what they will learn each day. During launch, students will be provided with an activating strategy that will engage them in their learning. The majority of the lesson will take place inside Explore, where students will receive live and/or recorded instruction, collaborate with their teacher and peers, while also engaging in independent learning. Finally, the learning will be recapped in the Summarize section. The associated tasks and resources that support their learning will also be provided. We've received a lot of positive feedback from your students' first semester here at Peachtree Ridge, and we're going to follow the same format that was used in the fall for the spring. Our teachers have recorded a welcome message that is located on their eClass course page for you today. Please click the eClass login link under Student Resources and Information to access those pages and important messages. If you need additional support locating your course page, we have included documents that include step-by-step instructions to help you. The district has also made many enhancements to both our student and parent portal pages for the 2020-2021 school year. We have included additional information regarding these enhancements available for your viewing. If for some reason you are unable to access your student portal, do not worry. We will continue to leave our virtual open house information and teacher messages on the portal through next week. In addition to hearing from your teachers, there are a few other important items you need to review. Please make sure you also log into My Payments Plus, and if you haven't had a chance to review these items in the fall, please review our student and parent handbooks, attendance protocol, extracurricular handbook, and AKS brochure. If your student is enrolled in an AP course, there are AP course agreement forms that require your review and acceptance as well. In addition to reviewing these important forms, please consider making a contribution to our various departments. While we recognize that we are all experiencing challenging times, all 100% of these contributions go directly to providing classroom supplies to support your students' learning. Peachtree Ridge has checked out hundreds of Chromebooks to families to support digital learning. At this time, we do not have any Chromebooks available, but we've ordered additional Chromebooks in the fall to support our digital and in-person students and are expecting those to arrive soon. Please click the Chromebook checkout link to get additional information on how you can request a Chromebook. In addition to Chromebooks, we have many internet hotspots available for checkout. These can be checked out through our community school and are limited to one per household. At Peachtree Ridge, our crest consists of symbols that highlight academics, athletics, and arts. While our core business is teaching and learning, we recognize involvement in extracurricular activities through clubs, fine arts, and athletics can have a direct positive relationship with their classroom performance. While we continue to offer digital and in-person instructional options, we still have extracurricular opportunities that are available for all students to participate in clubs, fine arts, or athletics. Please know that our faculty and staff at Peachtree Ridge is committed to our core business of teaching and learning. I thank you for your partnership and look forward to a great spring semester. We often refer to our cluster as One Ridge, and together as a community, from pre-kindergarten to graduation, we become One Ridge. Thank you. We're so happy you've joined us for our spring virtual open house, and have a great day. Go Lions!